Andres, and today I would like to introduce you to a new on-the-market home for sale in Kaneohe. The current owners bought this home because of its fantastic location with views of the water, a beautifully landscaped and private backyard, and of course the charm and ambiance. The value of this home is compounded by the serenity and exclusive location. This is certainly one of Kaneohe's premier properties, and now it can be yours to enjoy. Let's go inside and see. From the open concept kitchen and living space to the large backyard, there is plenty of room for the whole family to enjoy. The floor plan is over 1,600 square feet, has been meticulously maintained, and its convenient location is likely one of Kaneohe's best kept secrets. Enjoy the extraordinary privacy and spacious layout of this property in a wonderful neighborhood on a quiet street. You will enjoy years of comfort with this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, family room, and kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Throughout the house, upgrades have been completed with ceramic tile, remodeled bathrooms, and custom cabinetry. The large backyard paradise offers sweeping panoramic mountain views, lush landscaping, and presents plenty of room for play. Even more sensational living space is provided with a completely enclosed lanai, offering the utmost sanctuary for privacy and relaxation. The alluring location has coveted easy access to transportation and the incredible beaches. Situated in a prime neighborhood near great parks, this picturesque Kaneohe residence is priced to sell and is sure to go fast. If you are thinking about buying this wonderful home, call Alina at RE/MAX Honolulu 808-979-5990 right away, and don't miss this opportunity for peaceful living.